So right now we're above zero. So the snow's melting. Hard to drive with the, there we go. This is the speed I have with obviously the corn snow. This is the speed I have with the current setup. So, I don't know, I might change it. It's lacking power. I was playing with this yesterday. Kind of hard to drive on hand. It's lacking power. I'm not happy with the current setup. Might change it. The project that I was doing during COVID, so we're limited with stuff to be shipped and available, so there's more stuff now. It's smoother, it runs smooth. I checked the battery yesterday. I have 2 batteries in there, one on each ESC. See? It doesn't have any power going up. It's grooming. It's pushing. That's about it. I want to change that. Thanks for watching.